Hey, I've got a tutorial for the two red kings that escaped the Black Sea. So here we go. All right, we have a packet of cards, and I'll show you the setup. Here's a little bit of setup. The two red cards, whichever you pick, go on top of the deck, and then the rest is 15 black cards, okay? Any random black cards, it doesn't matter. Notice I didn't use any kings. I guess that's because I'm using kings over here. All right, so that's the setup. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the kings upside down so that you can see what's going on during the trick. Okay, next step, do the Rosetta Shuffle. What I want to do is I want to get a little more than half of the packet so that when you spin, it looks like they're equal, but there's more cards in this packet, okay, and I'll show you why. Because you do the nice spin, make it look pretty, take your time, and then when you push them together, the two kings remain on top, okay? And then you square it up, and now the trick is almost fully set up. One more step. We got to get one of these kings on the bottom, okay? So how I do that? I go, okay, if you were here, we'd have you shuffle, and we'd keep shuffling through the whole deck. Unfortunately, you're not here, so what I do is I drop one here. Now one's on the bottom, one's on the top. So I'm going to have to do it myself, okay? And then the only thing you have to remember now is every time the one closest to me is first, okay? Okay, so now you just play the game. And you'll see both kings are on this side, okay? Now, I go, all right, which packet do you want to pick? Excuse me, I don't say pick. Don't use that word. I say point to a packet, because you don't want them to pick, because if they pick this one or this one, they pick this one, that means you'd have to get rid of this, right? So just say point to a packet. So let's say they point to this one, okay? Well, let's get rid of this packet. Yeah, don't point. That's a key. All right, again, we do it again. Okay, again, the kings are here. Okay, this time again, point to a packet. All right, this one? All right, we'll get rid of these. So whatever you do, I'm going to keep these cards. It doesn't matter which one you point to, okay? Again, the third time, I just go, all right, so we have 3 cards over here, 2 cards over here. So let's get rid of those 2, and then you can see what's happening. We're down to our last 2 cards, which would look like this, of course. Then you flip them over, put that over there. Move them up to the front and go, there we are. We have our 2 kings, and I didn't say this in the trick, I wish I would have, who escaped the Black Sea. And then again, you reveal all black cards. So we have 2 kings and all the rest black. After all that shuffling and all that stuff, that's pretty amazing. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you very much.